If you would like to get a weight loss drug only for weight loss, and you will have a Medicare Part D drug plan, either because you have a Medicare supplement or you have a Medicare Part D drug benefit included, bundled in your Medicare Advantage plan, you are in luck, maybe, if you qualify. You are potentially in luck starting July 1st of this year. There is a new program called the Medicare GLP-1 Bridge Program, which starts July 1st. Your doctor doesn't know about it, so be careful going to your doctor and trying to get the ball rolling because your doctor guaranteed does not know anything about this. You will likely be the one educating your doctor about this. So if you have a BMI, a body mass index over 35, so you're considered obese, you will qualify to get certain, not all, certain weight loss drugs through this program, which is fully funded through the federal government. I'm gonna say that again. It's funded through the federal government. It is not through your Medicare Part D drug plan. It is not through your Medicare Advantage plan with a drug benefit. But Sylvia, you just said I had to have those. You do. You have to have a Medicare Part D drug plan to participate, but it doesn't go through your drug plan. It doesn't apply to your deductible. It doesn't apply to the $2,100 maximum out of pocket for this year. You don't have to see if this drug is covered on your drug plan's list of drugs, the formulary. It has nothing to do with your drug plan other than the fact you have to have a drug plan to participate, which means if you have a Medicare Advantage only plan because you are typically on TRICARE for life. You could be a vet. You could be a federal employee. But you have a plan that's Medicare Advantage, no drugs. That's called a Medicare Advantage only plan because you were getting your drugs through the military. You cannot participate. Eventually, you could participate in January 2027, but you can't participate when the plan launches in July of 2026. For this first 6 months, you can't be in it. You're not eligible. So let's say you have a Medicare Part D drug plan or Medicare Advantage with a drug plan, and your body mass index is over 35 and you're taking Ozempic. Well, you can participate. Your doctor can submit the paperwork to get authorization for you to participate, to get a weight loss drug at a maximum cost of $50 per month, which is great because most people are paying $500 a month if they're paying for a weight loss drug out of pocket right now. So going from $500 to $50, that's pretty exciting. But in this scenario, I said you're taking Ozempic. Ozempic is not one of the participating drugs, which is fine. Go to your doctor and say, change me. I know there's side effects and that's a whole thing, but change me to one of the drugs that is a participating drug. There are only 3. Foundayo, it's a new one. Wegovy, the most popular one, and Zepbound. So Ozempic's not one of them. I'll get to Ozempic more later. So if you were taking Ozempic or another weight loss drug, you can have your doctor switch you to one of these drugs. Now, how does the program work? Your doctor has to request you to be in the program through the central administrator of the GLP-1 Medicare Bridge Program, which actually is Humana, okay? Doesn't have anything to do with the fact that Humana also could be your drug company or your Medicare supplement company or your Medicare Advantage. They're operating as a government contractor administrating this program. So your doctor will go through the program and say, hey, Sylvia has a body mass index of 35 and I have her on Wegovy and here's the clinical notes to prove that Sylvia qualifies. Then there will be a prior authorization. Then I will take it to the pharmacy or it'll be transmitted electronically. Nobody knows exactly how the finer points of this is going to be administered yet. But one way or the other, I'm either going to get a paper or it's going to be at the pharmacy and I will go and pay $50 maximum per month for my weight loss drug. Okay? Sounds good. Stay with me. I said it's only 3 drugs, Foundayo and Wegovy, any formulation. So it could be the pill, it could be a weekly shot, it could be a daily, any formulation of those. Zepbound is only if you are prescribed the quick pen. So if you're on Zepbound but in a different formulation, your doctor will have to switch you to the quick pen if you want to participate in this program for $50 a month, which you do, right? You want to. Now, I said you had to have a body mass index of 35 or greater. Or you could actually have a body mass index lower than that, but you have some other health conditions going on, what they call co-morbidities. So you still might qualify for the program, even though your body mass index is 27, but you also have, and don't quote me if it's rheumatoid arthritis, but other certain conditions. So that's what you need to be able to participate. Now you have millions of people that are currently taking a GLP-1 and it's being paid for with their Medicare Part D drug benefit. In order for Medicare to allow you to have your drug insurance pay for a GLP-1, you had to qualify by having type 2 diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea, or your doctor said you had a risk of a stroke or a heart attack. So those 3 qualifications, if you did, and your insurance company covered your drug, then you were able, there's millions of people right now that are able to get their drugs through the mechanism that is the Part D, meaning you're subject to your deductible. The maximum you could pay this year is $2,100. That's going up to $2,400 for next year. And that you would have a copay based on your drug and the insurance company that you're enrolled with. So those people over there are going to say, hey, this Medicare Bridge program looks better. I want to get over here. It's very specific that these people cannot jump over to here. If you're already prescribed a GLP-1 under the Medicare Part D rules, you got to stay where you are. You got to stay in that lane. But for the people that didn't qualify, they just got it for weight loss. Most of those people are paying out of pocket. Or a lot of people would like it, but cannot afford to pay $500 a month or more out of pocket for these, I shouldn't say miracle drugs, but it seems to be that's kind of how they are working, miracle drugs. Now you will have a third group of people that they don't have a BMI of 35 anymore because they've been on a weight loss drug. They've been paying out of pocket. I talked to a lady, she's very rich, and she's like, oh, it's expensive, it hurts, but I will do anything to stay on it because I lost 80 pounds. And because I lost 80 pounds, I'm no longer, suffering from this, and this. So I'm going to keep doing this. So can she apply for the GLP-1 Bridge Program, this new program? Her BMI, she's no longer obese. She lost the 80 pounds. Yes, she can. Her doctor, when her doctor applies, she will say, here's my clinical notes. Sylvia, when she started the weight loss drug a year or 2 ago, she would have qualified. Her BMI was 35 or higher. So even though now she's within a normal, healthy weight range, if she doesn't stay on the drug, we all know if you rebound and all the weight comes back and more. So the government did something smart there. They plugged that. They said, even though you don't qualify now, if you would have qualified when you went on the drug and your doctor shows that by submitting the records, you're golden. You can participate in the $50 per month program. Again, it's got to be for these 3 drugs. Now, Ozempic was the original GLP-1, the most popular. And why is that not on the list? That doesn't seem to make sense, right? Well, there's a separate program to lower the cost of Ozempic. That program is under the Inflation Reduction Act. I don't want to go too deep in the weeds on how the government works, but 10 drugs a year for so many years, the government's going to force the price down on them. The big winner last year was Eliquis. Boom. We had a lot of drugs that were forced down. The average price was reduced 50 to 80%. That was the first year of it. So this is the next year that will start January 1st of 2027, and the number 1 drug on that list is Ozempic. So this bridge program doesn't include Ozempic because it's already going to come down. That will come down, and that will come down in the context of Medicare Part D, that you could get it under Medicare Part D, but still with Medicare Part D, you have to have those 3 conditions for it to be run through your drug program where you're subject to the annual max. If you want Ozempic strictly for weight loss, you'll be able to just pay cash with it. Just avoid Medicare Part D, avoid the bridge program. Maybe you're on an employer group retiree plan, or you're on a union retiree plan, or you're veterans or TRICARE. TRICARE used to pay for weight loss. They stopped it because it was so expensive, I think in August of 2025. So you're like, yeah, I'm on TRICARE and I don't have a Medicare Advantage and I don't want a Medicare Advantage, but I want the weight loss drug. Well, you might want to just wait 6 months. You have to wait because you're not eligible for the bridge program. You wait 6 months until Ozempic is forced down, and then you just pay cash. And now you have access to a weight loss drug without qualifying through the bridge program, without switching, adding on a Medicare Advantage plan to your TRICARE, which you still might want to. There's still some benefits there. That's something we can talk to you about privately if you are a TRICARE for Life recipient or about to be. Book a free appointment on our website. We're licensed in all 50 states. Our help is free. We are independent contractors for dozens and dozens of the insurance companies. So just go to the Medicare family. You'll see me. You'll see my family. Book an appointment, and we will explain how TRICARE works with the GLP-1 current program and the bridge program. So I told you the bridge program starts July 1st, 2026. Don't be going into your doctor's office and talking about it now. To get things started I'm a good German. I like to do things early because your doctor will have no idea what is going on. So you're going to be smart and you're going to make an appointment for June 1st or June 15th. And you're going to go in and you say, doctor, this is how it works. You're going to explain it to your doctor, maybe print it out and give it to your doctor and say, will you please apply for me to participate starting July the 1st? Now your doctor doesn't like to do that because they get paid like $15 to fill out that paperwork. That might take them quite a while. So really be nice, sweet talk, maybe take a fruit basket to your doctor so that your doctor will get you in line, get you to the front of the line in July, because there are going to be millions of people applying for this, millions. So we're going to hit a really stiff bottleneck there where the administrator of the program can't keep up. We can already see that. And then the makers of these drugs will likely have shortages, okay? Supply is going to be too little for the demand. So you don't want to sleep on this. If you know you want to participate, get going in June. And if it's your doctor's like my doctor, it takes like a month to get an appointment. So right now is the time to make the appointment for June, to print out everything so you can have the talk with your doctor so that your doctor gets you to the front of the line when July rolls around. If you want to know more of the fine details about how the administration works, how do you get the prescription, how long is the prior authorization? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I don't think it's determined yet. It's not just that it's not available publicly on Medicare's website. Trust me, I look every day. It's that I don't think they've worked out those details yet. So that is coming. Stay tuned here. If you don't follow me, hit the little subscribe, follow button. You know how YouTube works. And I'm sure I'm going to have follow-up details on this. So I want you to know that you can't get out ahead of it now, but you can get an appointment with your doctor to get in the process of getting in line in June so that it will start for you in July, and hopefully you could be on one of those 3 weight loss drugs. If you're currently on a weight loss drug that you pay out of pocket, then you have to have the preceding conversation with, hey, get me off Ozempic and prescribe me Foundayo, Wegovy, or Zepbound so I can go through that way. If you've been paying out of pocket for weight loss drugs, you still got to explain it to your doctor that they have to show your notes. You're going to have to walk your doctor through this process. Maybe show your doctor this video if your doctor's super nice and would listen to a couple-minute video, because the doctor will be inundated with requests just like yours, right? Their office will know nothing about this. Now, you might have heard that there was a program for GLP-1s and it got canceled. That's kind of true. There were 2 programs that were supposed to run. The first one was this plan, July 1st through December 31st of 2026, which is called the Bridge, the Medicare GLP-1 Bridge. It was supposed to bridge you into the Balance plan. The Balance was supposed to start January 1st of 2027. That plan currently is canceled. So if you see some conflicting news like, oh, it's canceled, that plan is canceled. I won't go into the details of what happened there, but it was politics and it was money motivated, as you probably can guess. So what the government did is they said, okay, we'll take this bridge that was supposed to be 6 months and we'll extend that all the way through the end of 2027. So if you're lucky enough to get through this juggernaut, get your doctor to do it, and you get your $50 per month weight loss drug starting in July, you can stay on this program through all of 2027, and you're guaranteed not to pay more than $50 a month. So that's the good news, that even though they canceled the Balance Act, that you're covered. This doesn't hurt you. This will take you for 18 months. So I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions, you and millions of other retirees. Ask me in the comments below, or if you're getting ready to start Medicare, just book an appointment with our team and let us, start from the beginning. Where are you in your Medicare journey? What do you need? What questions do you have? What things are going on in your specific state with your other medications, with your health? Our help is free. Our family's been doing this for 3 generations, for about 45, 46 years. If you enjoyed this video, please help me out. Like it, share it, do those things that help YouTube show my videos to other retirees so that I can help lots of other people just like you that are kind of lost in this Medicare maze. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare family.